everyone! Today I've got an egg cup from Poundland that you design yourself and decorate. So that's what we're going to be doing. And I brought in my partner and I don't know what design he's got in mind, but we'll see. It's taking a while to open your box.
I'm very nervous. I don't want to ruin your video for you.
Yeah.
I have a very specific thing in mind.
Alright, well you do your way. This is what this is about anyway, so.
The design that I'm looking for is, I really like Greek pottery, Roman pottery and the Renaissance kind of stuff. So I'm just scrolling through images to see if there's any inspiration. And even when I see something, I know I can't draw it and it's going to come out terribly. Streaming ahead and I've just been holding this. You know what I normally would like to do is, like someone else did, as I can see on a piece of paper in the corner, is there's a design that she's drawn in mind.
You can do that.
Yeah,
that's my rough design.
I'm into my first hurdle. Okay.
What's up?
My first hurdle is that I haven't centered it exactly.
Oh gosh, that's how he is, guys. Like, he just sits there wanting everything to be mathematical and like all the equations go on in his head.
The rubber is maybe.
Look at how different we are. Like, I'm just going in.
Is the rubber picking it up? It's making it worse.
Oh my god.
This is turned into a comedy.
It's just smudged.
A comedy
all
craft.
Over the place. You can actually use them. You know,
yeah.
Actually, every day, every morning, whatever you have your breakfast, we have eggs. Well, I have egg every morning. So if you seal it, which we will do at the end with mud podge, then it will be good to go and good to use.
So that's what I've got so far, which is I'm just doing it all around. I've got the acorns there. I've done it all the way around. But the only problem with it is that it's going to be really hard to paint each one.
I've just gone in with a marker pen and drawn in the grass.
I'm starting to realise how difficult it's going to be to paint in between all the little parts.
I'm also going in with a acrylic painter pen as well now. Let's hope this comes out good. Stop watching.
So far I've painted it around there, or with a pen, but it comes out quite light, so I think the next one I'm going to do is in paints.
I've done these green plants now, all around, and I'm going to go in with a tulip so that it's a little bit more 3D, and just add little purple dots at the end of each of the leaves. I've just finished this. As you can see, it's really looking a lot better now. I wanted that 3D effect and that's what it's done. So I'm hoping while that dries I can work on the top. And now Kat wants to join us too. So I'm using the sponge for the top part because I kind of want a texture on it. I think the red is really dark. Oh no, messed it up.
What are you doing?
Wait, I'll work it out.
What? You can't see the flowers in there. Okay, so here's the disaster that's coming along at the moment. So this is one of my life regrets, and it's proving to be really hard to get any detail, and that's just me trying to do a straight line.
They've actually dried, but I thought they weren't because they're so 3D. So I'm quite happy with those.
Perfect! Having a mental breakdown. This is me trying to paint around it. And I want to stop now.
Guys, I believe I am finished. I just need to wait for it to dry and then mud podge it.
Give me a week.
So what I did was I went in and with a 3D tulip. It's meant to be for fabrics, but I just like the 3D effect. So I've just did the dots on there, there, and then on the details there and in the flowers. And then I went in with an acrylic painter pen and just did the detail on the petals.
I've so-called finished, and it didn't turn out anything like how
You finished?
Planned it out to be. It's so bad. Give me a plus for effort, but the grade I understand if you give me a D.
So whose do you prefer?
Don't turn my around, it gets worse. I feel like you're being quite cocky. So who do you prefer?
I am a little bit happy and pleased with the end results. I thought you'd do a good job.
I don't have the patience.
You did a good job, but I mean, I thought you'd
whatever, you've done a good job. Brownie points.
Okay, so all I'm going to do now is paint the egg cups with Mod Podge. That's just to give it a gloss and also make it easy to wipe. If there's egg yolk that just falls onto the design, you can easily baby wipe that. And these are the cups all finished with the Mod Podge applied. You can see it's got a slight gloss to it. And that should be good to use. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a very different style of a video compared to my others. So I hope that you did enjoy it, and if you did, let me know. Alright, bye!
Bye!